But the attention to detail is uncanny, even if they did not use actual vibration.
I gotta say, I gotta prefer muted Iron Man over here.
Oh, I'm so excited to see our new figures, Scott.
Me too. I just wish some of the other Avengers were here.
True. It is too bad Cap, Hulk, Thor, and Iron Man were all needed to deal with the Mole Man and his minions.
Ah, you've made it. We're so happy you're here. If you'll please make your way through that door, the audience is waiting in the theater.
After you, guests of honor.
This is it!
Our big reveal.
Big is the word I'd use for either of you. Look. Careful now, or your adoring fans in the theater will be the first to destroy.
What are you doing here, Asgardian?
Well, with my brother and the other so-called heroes preoccupied, this is the perfect time to start my earthly conquest and get rid of you.
You should have brought some backup.
What an interesting idea, Captain.
Let us not give him any more ideas.
Watch your step, fellas.
Hey, Strange, think you can magic us some reinforcements?
You may summon the ancient powers of the mystic arts.
Yeah, do that!
I'll see who I can find.
You guys lose my number! I seriously can't believe you went to Madame Tussauds without me. No, this is over. Can one of you get a picture of me with me?
Stop ogling yourself and hit something!
Hey, buddy! It's up for me! Don't mind if I do! It's plasma, you one-eyed eyes! Yeah, this can't be good.
Protect the civilians!
Do you really think you can save all these primitive primates?
Has anyone ever informed Hold tight, everyone. This may feel a little strange. You're going to say strange, were you? No, I was going to say peculiar.
Dr. Peculiar doesn't have the same ring to it.
Let's get back in here. The crystal of Catharsis. You are playing with powers you do not understand, Asgardian.
That's cute coming from a mortal.
Let's see if you understand this.
What did you do?
That's not good. Let's go.
Please tell me that's the friendly kind of giant tentacle monster.
Not exactly.
Worth a shot.
Permission to go back to fighting the other interdimensional monsters now?
Permission granted.
So I'm guessing breath mints aren't a thing in your dimension?
Need a hand, Captain?
Actually, we could use some very small hands.
Did you say small hands?
Don't make this a thing.
We're not gonna make this a thing.
My brother will pay dearly for this.
Another day, another Loki-led invasion.
Stop that, you insignificant insect!
You know, Loki, being small has its advantages.
You never see us coming.
Come back here, you pathetic! Let me guess. Hulk smash?
Hey, Doc, we got something for you.
Thank you, my tiny friend. Now find something to hold on to.
Got you, little buddy. Looks like someone doesn't want to go home.
Shall we give him a push?
Fine.
Can we go see our new figures now?
They're so...
Tiny.
Kill that man.
Oh, I got an idea.
Scott, no!
Who on earth is gonna clean up this mess?
Your exits are in front of you and to the left. Please remember to take all personal belongings with you, as sometimes your items get stuck down the side of the train. Thank you.
Home floor, come on.
Thank you.